I need you to prime the pump. Do that with me. Prime the pump. What is priming the pump? Well, if you're building a well, okay, you're going to have to like, or how about this? How about a new kind of soap or cream or whatever, and you're trying to get it out, and you go, and nothing's coming, right? And that's because the pump is being primed, and then suddenly the liquid starts coming up. Okay, so what do I mean by all this? Well, right now, maybe people aren't answering your calls. Maybe you're not making any sales right now. So what you've got to do is you've got to put your arm around your customers, and you've just got to say, are you okay? Can I help you? You know, you're my best customer. I just wanted to make sure you and your family are okay. If there's anything, we're here for you. So what you're doing is you're nurturing that relationship so that afterwards you can come out of this, not surviving, as most people are going to shut down, but thriving, right? Because people are going to remember you. Because why? Because you are priming the pump. Are you sending them anything? They're not going to expect it. You know, send them something free. Is there anything that you can give them to make their lives better? Anything at all. So what we're doing, for example, I spent the weekend calling most of our gold clients. I didn't call everybody, that's true, but I spent a good 4 to 5 hours doing that, just basically saying, are you okay? Some of them loved it. You know, some of them just went, yeah, I'm okay. And that, you know, that's it, fine, doesn't matter. But I did whatever I could in order to look after our best customers. I'm not going to get any more money out of them. That's not the idea, but they're our best customers. So, you know, we want to make sure we look after them. You know, this series of videos, for example, to make sure that you watching this are getting some kind of a tip or a trick or a technique or anything that helps you. It could be look, I always say it could be a tiny thing, look, tiny little thing. It could be like, oh, an idea, and then you go and do it. But that is the difference between where you were going and where you end up over time. So that's what Madrika refers to as the ripple effect. You know, you hear something, you share it with somebody else, they share it with somebody else, and it all makes the world a better place. And we need to be together here. We're all in the same boat. You can call it the coronavirus boat if you like, or you can call it the thriving after the crisis boat. You know, and that's what this is all about, is for you not to survive this, but to thrive and come out even stronger, even richer, even better. You know, that's what these videos are about. So my question to you right now, please go and do a brainstorming, even if it's just for 1 minute. Where can you prime the pump during the next 3 weeks or so when we're doing isolation? Is it to do with exercise, fitness, bodybuilding? Is it health? Is it relationships? Is it relationships with your loved one, your family, or is it with your clients? Where can you prime the pump? Not expecting anything right now, okay, if something comes great, but not expecting everything until later on, because you've put that effort into priming the pump. So please go ahead and do that now. And remember, please like this video if you did like it, if you thought it was interesting. But more importantly, or do both really, is to subscribe to this channel. Why? So that we can keep giving you golden nuggets, things that make you think, and so that you go, wow, I need to do this and thrive in this crisis. We're not looking to survive here, people. We're looking to thrive. That's what this is all about. That's why we're doing this, and that's our gift to you. Okay, so we look forward to seeing you on the next video.